In the dark depths of the ocean, there lives a horrible Kraken.
Ha! I'm not that horrible at all. Silver, where are the grandkids?
Captain Kraken, sir? We prefer to be your pirate crew.
My pirate crew? Then do you know how to make a spaghetti knot? How to jump on the bed with a flop? How to cook a soup with a saw? Clean the tub by using your claws? How does that sound to you?
Aye, aye, Captain!
That's what I thought.
What's going on, Captain?
Time to seize the day.
Oh, is that all?
Well, since you're all awake right now, come to the mess hall quickly. And don't forget to bring Quack. Hi-ho, Silver. What you got cooking? Oh, I won't touch. Later, right? Here come my future pirates. Avast! The adventurous and full of life, Flip! Full of smarts and without fear, Sue! Quack. Come, you can sleep when you're dead.
But, Captain, it's more fun to sleep when you're alive.
Scallywags! Seems like what these kids need is a bit of magic energy elixir.
Yeah, I want some!
Hold on there. We have to make the elixir first.
How do we make the elixir, Captain?
Oh, it's the best kept secret in the 7 seas, lad.
Oh!
The secret was given to me by your great-grand Kraken. You must swear that you won't tell a soul. The first secret step is to find a barrel marked with an X.
Okay.
You'll find it in the hold.
But it's dark in the hold.
So, we don't fear the dark. Do you know why?
We're pirates?
We're pirates! Silver! A strong coffee, please.
Oh, man! This place is awesome! I'll stay right here. You guys got this. What's wrong? You scared? I'm not, Sue. I'm just allergic to spider webs. Little baby. I'm not a baby. Hang on, baby. I'll handle this. Yeah. Try not to hurt yourself while I find the thing.
What thing?
A barrel with a red X.
What color X again?
Red, Quack. A red X on a barrel. Do you even know what X looks like? Hey, you found it!
I what?
Thanks, you're the smartest, Quack!
Yay!
Well done.
Now we can make the secret energy elixir!
Hold your seahorses. The next ingredient we need is kelp. Do I sense mutiny? Get to it.
It's so good!
Bet I get kelp the fastest! Huh? We're not supposed to eat it.
dirty.
Okay. Let's get this to the captain.
Good harvest of kelp today, mateys. Down it goes.
What's next, Captain?
Who are you?
You're pirates in training, of course.
What's next? After the kelp? Ah, salt. Silver? Yes, whatever you said. Salt, please. Har. It's all done.
The elixir's all done?
What elixir?
You know, the secret one? The one you said would give us energy?
So making elixir is really hard work. I just wanted soup. Don't you feel energetic?
But this soup, we get to have some, right?
I've got something different in mind. You've got one more task. Roger?
I don't work under false pretenses. What's the last job, Captain?
Silver made you something even better than kelp soup, I believe.
Oh!